Hi guys, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today we will cook the classic Italian tiramisu dessert. Follow this easy step-by-step recipe to get the perfect tiramisu. For this recipe we will need the following ingredients: 80 grams of granulated sugar, 15 grams of cacao powder, 4 egg yolks, 12 ounces of mascarpone, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 6 tablespoons of golden rum, 220 milliliters of espresso, 340 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, about 22 ladyfingers. You may need a few more or less depending on your dish. I use 6 by 9 inches glass dish. And don't forget the scale. Once all ingredients are measured, we can start by placing 4 egg yolks in a medium glass bowl and place it over a pot of simmering water. Make sure that the water doesn't touch the bowl. Add 80 grams of sugar and whisk over heat until the mixture is thick and light yellow in color. Continue whisking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the mixture is ready, you can remove from the steam and cool slightly. Now let's beat 340 milliliters of heavy cream to medium peaks. Now beat together 12 ounces of mascarpone, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of rum until incorporated. Now beat in the warm yolk mixture until combined. Fold half of the whipped cream into mascarpone cream, then blend in remaining whipped cream just until incorporated. In a bowl, stir together 220 milliliters of espresso and 3 tablespoons of golden rum. And now quickly dip half of the ladyfingers, one at a time, and arrange in a single layer in the bottom of the dish. These cookies soak up liquid very fast, so they only need a few seconds on each side. Add half of the mascarpone filling over the bottom layer of ladyfingers and smooth out with spatula. Then continue dipping and arranging the second layer of ladyfingers. Add the remaining mascarpone filling and smooth out to the edges. Now it's time to cover and refrigerate our tiramisu for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. Don't forget to dust with cacao powder before serving. And this is it. Our delicious tiramisu is ready. Bon appetit!